proponent. That was the big idea behind Freelancer Profit Manual, is like retainer-based clients, meaning people that pay you on a month-to-month basis. However, there are some people, depending on what your skill is and what you're offering to them, where you could actually potentially make even more than what you charge them as a retainer, just having what's called performance-based. So if you're a video editor, then you're just going to be a retainer-based type of freelancer, meaning you pay me X and I'm going to make you, let's say you're a TikTok video editor. I'm going to edit one video a day for you that you can post to TikTok, and I want $500. I want $1,000, whatever it is you're charging. Or you can even do it per video. Or let's say you're on Instagram, it's the exact same layout. I want X amount of money per month. I'm going to do X. Or if you're a YouTube video editor, I'm going to do X amount of videos a month. I want X. Meaning, if you're a video editor, if you're a graphic designer, if you're anything like that, that doesn't connect with performance, meaning what I do, I could do performance based. I'm an email copywriter. Otherwise, you're just going to do retainer based. Does that